Hi, I'm Dave Newton, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about this monitor, the EIZO FlexScan EV2795. This is the first USB-C compatible monitor from EIZO with true docking station capability for docking additional monitors or peripherals. Now, whatever working environment you find yourself in, there's a fair chance you spend a large proportion of your day looking at a monitor. It therefore pays to really pay attention to that monitor to make sure that it's not costing you more than it should in terms of its power usage, but also that it looks after your health. Both the ergonomics of the monitor and the reduced eye strain of the FlexScan do this. For your health, the monitor features several key technologies. Firstly, there's Auto Eco View. This adjusts the brightness of the monitor throughout the day to compensate for changing brightness in your working environment. It ensures you always have a clear, bright view of your screen. It's also an anti-glare display, so if there's high ambient light levels, you don't get distracting reflections or glare from your screen. Now, the best monitors are those that don't get in the way of your productivity. The EV2795 comes in a frameless black or white design that really melts into the background. In true attention to detail style, the cables that are included are also colour matched to the colour of the case. This helps create a minimalist, aesthetically pleasing work environment. In terms of the technology of the monitor, it uses an LED backlight and it's an IPS or in-plane switching panel. This combination of two technologies means that it's totally flicker-free to help reduce that eye strain. There's also paper mode. If you spend a lot of time reading or looking at documents, then switching on paper mode allows the monitor to reduce the level of blue light that it emits. This really helps if you suffer with migraines or eye strain, or if you struggle to sleep at the end of the day. To help with the ergonomics, the monitor features a highly advanced stand with extensive adjustability. It can be raised, lowered, pivoted, tilted, and rotated into portrait mode, particularly useful if you're working on long documents. The stand can actually be raised high enough for you to place a small laptop underneath, expanding your productivity by giving you multiple screens to work with. It also helps clear up the clutter on your desk and keep your working environment nice and tidy. If you have to carry the monitor, the built-in carrying handle makes this simple. The monitor features a variety of connection options depending on the system you're using. There's HDMI and DisplayPort, but also USB-C. By moving to a full USB-C compatible monitor, you get the docking capabilities of USB-C complete with daisy chaining, as well as a 70-watt power delivery capability. This is enough to power a small desktop or laptop computer, and so frees up a plug socket and saves you carrying a bulky power adapter around with you. To simplify cable management and help ease cable clutter, a convenient cable clip is included on the rear of the stand. You're likely to have several peripherals that you want to connect to your computer, so having a built-in docking station in the monitor saves both cable clutter and the extra expense of buying another docking station. It keeps your workspace tidy and simplifies all of your setup. Part of the docking station capability of the monitor is the inclusion of an RJ45 network connection. Now, while Wi-Fi rules the modern world, if you have a wired connection, you can ensure a much more stable communication to the internet. This is great for any teleconference or conference calls you wish to make over the internet, or indeed just for a stable data connection for uploading or downloading large files. If you work across multiple different environments with multiple monitors, then the screen-in style software will help synchronize your settings between your different locations. This takes account of any changes you may make to color or brightness, or any changes that have been made automatically by the built-in brightness sensor, so that when you move to a new location, your settings are transported with you. It ensures consistency across your different working environments. In addition, if you're working with multiple daisy-chained monitors, then screen-in style will make sure that those settings are transmitted across all of them at the same time, so you don't get any differences in the connected displays. When looking at daisy chaining, with the EV2795, you can have up to 2 connected monitors simultaneously. Although this monitor is more designed to be used in a standard office environment, it also features exceptional colour reproduction. Drawing on EIZO's long imaging heritage, particularly from the ColorEdge range, It features a full 10-bit lookup table to ensure the colours it displays are as accurate as they can be from the 8-bit display from your computer. The monitor is also factory adjusted to ensure the colours are as smooth as they can be and tonal gradations clear. This provides the ideal out-of-box experience with minimal setup time. The last piece of the puzzle is that these monitors are exceptionally kind to the environment too. They feature certification from various bodies such as TCO and EPEAT. They also use much reduced power. With Auto EcoView adjusting the brightness, your power consumption can be up to 40% less than it otherwise would be if you were running the monitor at full brightness level. To ensure peace of mind, this monitor also comes with a manufacturer's 5-year warranty, including all components and the LCD panel. There's also a zero bright pixel guarantee for 6 months from the date of purchase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. If you have any further questions, please visit the EIZO website or contact one of the members of staff who'll be happy to help you.